Hello everyone! I figured since it's such a beautiful summer evening we would pick some clovers and make some clover drinks. So I'm just here in a nice field of clovers and I've got my basket. So we're just going to go and pick a bunch of the clover. And so we are going to do a red clover drink today. Even though they definitely look purple, they are called red clovers. So we're just going to go and grab a bunch and we'll make a fun little drink out of them. So yeah, all we need is the head of the clovers, so we'll just go and grab as many as we can. I'm gonna say about 2 or 3 cups worth, and then we will do a nice clover drink together. So one thing to keep in mind while picking clovers is that the stem and the leaves will make your drink a bit bitter. So all we want is the top petals. So what you can do is you can just pull off the bottom and then you just have the petals. A couple stems and leaves are okay, but a lot will make it a bit bitter. So just something to keep in mind while you're picking. That seems like a pretty good haul to me, so I think we'll head back inside and we'll make our clover drink. The best thing to do while foraging is eating the snacks on the way home. So let's see what we got for snacks right now. We got our baby Saskatoon tree. It's looking pretty good. It's got a couple good berries on it. Get a couple off there that it looked more ripe. Very nice. A couple ripe ones, that's pretty good. This tree's got a couple on it too. Not very many. Got a lot more in other places. This is fun on the way by though. Oh look! Getting there. They're good ones. Gonna have to do something with that next. Ooh, and raspberries. Let's see if we got any good ones here. This one looks pretty nice. Let's try this one. Looking a bit more ripe. Very nice. Oh, they're good, but a little bit sour. Maybe we'll wait till the weekend on those ones. Still very good though. Alright, and I think we might have some strawberries over here, but let's see if we do or not. See if you can spot any with me. I know there's a couple strawberry plants on this area somewhere. Let's see if we can see some together. Looking for red vines. That's how you know a strawberry plant is nearby. See, these are strawberry plants, so you can see these, but I don't think they have any strawberries on them because they're not red vines. They'll be under the leaves if they have any. Let's see. That one's a little bit past due. Let's see if we can find a good one around here somewhere. Close. Ooh, this one looks pretty nice, I think. Check it out. Got 2 nice little strawberries in there. Very nice. Little tiny strawberries. Can never get enough strawberries to make jam, but they're fun to eat while foraging for other things. Check it out. Yeah, these ones are good. They're nice and ripe. Very nice. Little tiny strawberry. To be honest though, for a wild strawberry, they're quite big. They don't get that big. Let's see what we got here. Very nice. That little one, so cute. Alrighty, enough snacking. Let's get back and make our clover drink. Now we're back inside and all I've got is a pot of water that's at a rolling boil. It doesn't really matter the amount of water that you start out with because we will just fill it to the amount of container you have. So now we're just going to add 1 cup of white sugar into our water, and we'll let that dissolve. Now our sugar is looking pretty dissolved, so all we're going to do now is take it off of the heat, and we're going to add our clovers. So this is 4 cups of clover petals, and we will just let them steep for a little while. We'll go and give them a good little mix, let them steep and get all of their flavor into our hot water and sugar. So I will put the rest in, and then I will show you what they looked like after they've been steeping for a while. Now, since it's been steeping overnight, what we're going to do is we're going to pour about a tablespoon of lemon juice from our fake lemon to brighten up the color a little bit. We're going to give that a nice stir and see if our color goes brighter. Definitely looking a lot more red to me. Looking great so far. So now with that, what we're going to do is we're going to strain it and put it in our drink dispenser, and I'm just going to fill the rest of the dispenser with more cold water. But this should be pretty much it. So we're just going to strain it and put it in our dispenser, and then I'll be back. Alright, now our drink is all done, so we're just going to grab some from our fun dispenser. So as you can see, the bright purple color has faded away, but it does taste great still. It tastes very nice and clovery. So we're just going to go add some to our glass with ice. We've got our straw, and we're going to add a clover in it for some decoration. So this is our final drink, and it's just super light and very clovery, definitely an acquired taste, but I really like it, and so I hope to see you guys in the next video, but thank you for watching this one. See you!